So let's walk through the installation for PacSana. So the first step is to connect to the Wi-Fi within the home. The second step is to turn on the bracelet. So I remove the module from the rear and press the button for 10 seconds until the LED comes on. I now need to install the living area gateway, and this location is particularly suited because the socket is in use, and secondly because it's on an internal wall, and that will maximize coverage within the home. So I've plugged the lamp into the rear of the gateway. You don't need to do that, but it does help to reduce the chances that it will be interfered with later on. The LED is already flashing, but if needed, you can just press and hold this button for 10 seconds to get it into that state. I'll then change over to the configurator app, select Add Devices, tap on the device, and enter the Wi-Fi details. You'll see the LED will change color during the installation process. It's now connected, so enter your username. Set the location to living area. And press OK. You then wait on pings, we call them, from the bracelet. So it's good practice to wear the bracelet that you brought with you. The device is fully installed and the gateway LED has turned off to confirm that. So now we just need to add the bedroom gateway. So the ideal location is to have it positioned within 3 feet of the pillow. That allows us to capture bed exits. If that's not possible, just try to place it somewhere else within the room. So again, the gateway is flashing, so we're going to switch over to the configurator and add the device. So again, we add the Wi-Fi credentials. We then enter again the name of the user, set the location to bedroom this time, and wait for the pings from the bracelet. So again, wear the bracelet in order to capture that data. And we're done. So you can see that the LED on the gateway has turned off to confirm that the installation is complete. You can now put the bracelet on the client. To do that, loop the strap from above into the hole and press the clasp from below into one of the holes. It should be quite tight, so if your little finger still fits, it probably should be a little tighter. That's it. Just don't forget to submit the care details using the online form.